When Aggie Systems was founded in 2013, it started as a manufacturing company. There was only one problem. They didn't have a product to manufacture. Led by CEO Carl Specht and VPs Ryan Wiebe, Emily Schmar, Victor Cassone, and Jen Weber, the company was able to narrow down its product and ultimately chose a PowerCat clock. The clock is offered with a variety of color and stain options. For the frame, red oak is initially cut into 14-inch pieces with a miter saw. The pieces are moved over to the table saw, where they will be cut lengthwise to 1 1/4 inch. Quality control is important here, so the fence is clamped down to ensure stability. Once the pieces are properly cut, the edges are cut to 45 degrees, still using the table saw. The cut pieces are then moved to the router for them to be slotted. It is in this slot where the backboard will eventually be held. Once slotted, the frames are sent to the gluing station where it will be assembled. 24 hours later, the frame is ready to be decoratively routed. Holes are then drilled to fit the hour markers. A worker hand sands it before it makes its final trip to be stained. Once stained, it is set aside and waits for assembly. The backboard starts its journey at the gluing station, where alternating pieces of red oak and hickory are glued together. After the glue has set, it moves to the planing station, where it is planed down to 1/2 inch thick. After the boards have been planed, the corners are cut 45 degrees so that the wood grain is slanted in the final product. A pocket is routed in the back to hold the clock pieces. A hole is drilled in the center to allow the clock to poke through. As a final addition, a trademark logo is CNC'd in for the PowerCat. The backboard is then naturally stained and then joins the frames, waiting to be assembled. Like the backboard, the PowerCat cutout is started at the gluing station, where 3 pieces of red oak are joined together. After it is planed down, the planed boards then make their way to the CNC machine, where they will be formed into K-State PowerCats. After the CNC, the parts are sanded down and can either be painted purple or stained. Once dry, they join the backboard and frame and are ready for assembly. The backboard is attached to the frame with brackets. The brackets are secured with screws on all 4 corners. Once the backboard and frame are attached, the PowerCat is epoxied on. A worker then installs the clock itself, and now the PowerCat clock is ready to be sent to a happy customer.